Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide or unhide virtual game cards on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, from the home menu select virtual game cards, which is this button. Now select the user linked to your Nintendo account. And now you'll simply need to select the game or DLC you want to hide. Select options, then select hide. Now it will be hidden from the list, and if I click on back, then you can see it's not there. And to view it later on, you'll need to be in the virtual game cards from the home menu. Then scroll down and select can't find software, and then you'll have an option to click on view hidden game cards. Now it will prompt you to actually scan a QR code using your mobile device to log into your Nintendo account to confirm your identity. Now all I need to do is enter my password, click on OK, and I'll have a verification code that I'll need to enter on the Nintendo once it refreshes. Click on OK, and you can see my hidden game card. If you want to unhide it, then you'll need to click on the game, click on options, then click on unhide. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.